Okay, our next topic is polar curves. Again, we will start from here. For example, let us consider this xy plane and any curve here in the xy plane. It is given by this function y equals to f of x. For example, you can consider y equals to 2x plus 1. What is this thing? This is an equation of a line. Okay, y equals to x square minus 1. What is this? This is a parabola. This is a parabola in the xy plane. Y equals to sine of x. Y equals to ln of x. Mean these are the curves or the equations given in the xy coordinates. Now what do we mean by this? Polar equations or the polar curves. So the polar curves, they are given by this equation, r equals to f of theta. R equals to f of theta. This is what you need to remember. Or sometimes they can also be written in this form, capital F, r of theta equals to 0. This is a relationship between them. This is the relationship between them. Now there are two special types of the functions that you need to remember. Two special curves. Okay, two special curves. The first one, it is called the circle. The first one, it is called the circle, and the equation of a circle, it is given by, let's say, r equals to a. Okay, r equals to a. And what is a? A is any number. A is a number. Okay, so for example, think about this, r equals to 1. So what is this? This is a circle. It is a circle, and what is the main point about this? Its center is equal to 0 0, and its radius is equal to 1. Its radius is equal to 1. So here we are in the polar plane. We call this polar plane. So suppose here we have 1, here we have 1, and what will be our curve? Our curve will be like this. It is a circle. It is a circle, and its radius is equal to 1. Similarly, think about this, r equals to 2. R equals to 2. This is a circle of radius 2. Okay, suppose that here we have 2. So this is our circle, r equals to 2. So this one is the first special type of curves, r equals to a, r equals to some number. If this thing is given to you, so just by looking at it, you can decide that it is a circle, its center is origin, and the radius is equal to whatever the number you are given here. That will be the radius of this. Okay, the second type of the special curves, we call them the lines. Okay, we call them the lines, and the lines in the polar coordinates are represented by this theta equals to b. Theta equals to B, where what is B? B is a number. B is any number. Okay, B is any number. So this theta equals to B. It is a line. Okay, it is a line which is passing through the origin, and it makes an angle of it is a line that makes passing through the origin, or it can be any other thing, but at this one is passing. This is a line passing through the origin, and it makes it makes angle of Meyer B with the positive x-axis, with positive x-axis. Okay, so think about this. For example, theta equals to for example, think about this. Theta equals to pi by 4. This is an example. So this is a line which makes an angle of 45 degree with the positive x-axis. But before this, you need to remember this thing. This is our origin. This is our origin. To the left side, here theta equals to 0, and here we have theta equals to pi by 2. This is theta equals to pi. This one here down, this is 3 pi by 2, and this one you can also call it theta equals to 2 pi. So theta equals to pi by 4. Theta equals to pi by 4. It will be a line starting from this origin, and it will make an angle of theta equals to pi by 4 with the positive x-axis. Okay, and one more thing you need to remember, this is our origin. And on this side we have the positive values of r, or you can say the radius, and on this side we have the negative values of r. Okay, sometimes, for example, you are given this thing, for example, a point P which has the coordinates 2 and pi by 4, and a second point Q, its coordinates are -2 and the angle is pi by 4. So these two are the different points. Okay, these two are the different points. For example, this here you can say, you can think about this in the following way. Let's say here we have 1, this is the point 2, so this will be our point P. Its coordinates are 2, pi by 4. Okay, and where will be the point Q? Q will be the same point on the same line, but it is opposite or in the negative direction. So this is -2 pi by 4. So this is an important thing you need to remember. How do we sketch these things?